Alright, we're going to build a PowerPoint now. This is part 3 of a video of how to use PowerPoint. As you can see, I've completely cleared everything in the PowerPoint. What you do is just click on the bottom slide and just keep clicking delete. You want to delete everything in your PowerPoint. So what you're going to do first is you're going to want to make a new slide, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're probably going to do a title slide, because that's most common. And then as you can see, I've already got my favorite theme in there, boundary. So we're going to make this plug in tech help PowerPoint. You can see it automatically wraps the text for you, which is pretty cool. And then you can add a subtitle, a PowerPoint showing how to make one. Okay. That's just the home page, and then like you can add clip art and stuff too. So like if we choose to add clip art, then we can. So we got the clip art window over here. So let's just search for a dog. You can go. Okay, so we got all these dogs here, and we're just going to choose one because we'll choose this one. Okay, so what we can do is we can drag this anywhere in the picture, so we'll drag it up here. And we can expand it, and we can do all sorts of stuff with it. So now that we've added clip art, we can position it any way we want. We can put it down here or wherever we want it. So this clip art will put right here, but instead of using this clip art for the picture, we can also use it for our background. So if you go to design, background styles, format background, you can fill it with clip art like I showed you in my previous video. So we've got just type in dog again, find the same exact photo. Drag this up. Okay, so we got the same picture. Okay. And then a trick I've found is if you click tile, pictures, texture, you do that, and then it'll put you at size there. And then all you do, if you don't want that your clip art there anymore, like I did it, all you do is you right click on it, and then you can delete it. You just click on it and press delete. It's gone. Just press delete on your keyboard. It says DEL on it. Okay, so we got this, and you may not remember, but these letters were white, so we got to change them to like black. Okay, there you go. And then if you want to hide background graphics like that, it's totally up to you. Depends on what you like. I like it there because then you can see the words better, but it depends on also what I'm doing. So with that said, we'll move on. So we'll X out this clip right here to make the slide bigger, and then we're going to add a new slide. So we're going to do title and content now. So we'll just add this as slide 1. Okay, and then you can add text with bullets, or you can add in all this stuff like I've showed in a previous video. We're going to insert in, let's say, let's insert in a picture. Okay, so we'll put in my favorite anti-homework picture, and then we can drag this out. Okay, and then you can do whatever you want with that, and then like in the next slide we'll do the same picture and I'll show you all the different stuff you can do. You can insert a table, which you make on Excel. I'll show you in a later video how to make Excel. And then we can insert a chart. I have a chart. Let's see. You have all these different chart choices, so we'll do this one. Okay. And then it'll take you to this. You gotta enter in all the crap there, but the easiest way to do it. Okay, so this is just a basic example of a chart, and then you can rename all this stuff if you want to. I don't bother, but and this chart doesn't really make much sense. But here, let's undo that, and then I'll paste in here. Oh, I don't have it saved in. Here, let me see. I made a line graph earlier, but I guess I don't have it. But what you can do is on Excel, if you make a line graph, you can copy and paste it in right here, which is pretty useful. And then you got clip art here. Obviously, I've already showed you that. And then you got smart art. I don't know much about that. I don't use it very much. And then you got media clip, which is pretty cool because during your slideshow you can have a media clip playing, which is that's pretty cool. So we've got all that. The media clip just comes from your video library. So you got this, and then we'll go to just Mason, and we'll go to recordings. Okay, I don't have anything that I can insert right now, but and I'm not sure what video format it has to be in, but all I know is that it can insert video. But for this slide, I guess we'll just delete it, and I'll make another slide just to show you. So let's see. Do a section header here, or if you don't want to make a new section, we'll just name it section 2. And then you can add text about the section or whatever, and then we'll do a new slide. Got 2 content here. If you remember from my this one, this is a 2 content page right here. And then this is the title page. I know this comes before that, but you'd have to know our presentation to obviously know what this is all about. Okay, so 2 content, pretty simple. You can add 2 columns of content right here with anything you want, text, charts, whatever. It's pretty much up to you what you want to do. But what you can do is, here, let me pause it for a second, and I'll show you that chart I was talking about. Oh, I'm out of time on this video, so I'll just make a part 4 and we'll finish this up. Thanks for watching, and watch my next video, part 4.